Good morning, my dear students. In the last class, we learned partition into add and subtract. In this topic, we finished question number 1. Right? That means partitioning each number into hundreds, tens, and ones, then calculate. That means this is only plus symbols, right? Now coming to here, subtraction questions. Now we are coming to here subtraction questions. Okay. So similar to question number 1 only, but little bit tricky questions here. So same here, but the symbol is minus. So look at here question number first question 1a. What is this one? 628 minus 405. So 628, you know that last class we learned how to partition number. So 628 and this is 405. So hundreds place, this is subtraction, in between the symbol is subtraction. Here is the 405. This means 400. Tens place is 0 means no need to write, only 5. Now when you subtract 100 with the 100, tens with the tens, ones with the 1. So 600 minus 400, 20. Here tens place is nothing, but that means 0. Next 8 minus 5. So 600 minus 400 is 200. 20 minus 0 is 20. 8 minus 5 is 3. Then you have to add these answers. Okay. Always the total answer you have to add the final answer. So 2, this is 3, this is 2, this is 3. Now concentrate a little bit B. For question number B, you have to understand first of all this example. Suppose you know that big number minus small number, then it equal to 7. That means 9 minus 2 equal to 7. But if you subtract reversely, that means small number to big number, then you have to write the symbol is minus 7. If you go for the big classes, then you understand more. But for now, I will explain you how it is. This is nothing means here positive 7. Here is negative 7. Why it is positive, why it is negative, I will explain you. Here is the 9 minus 2. 9 is the big number, right or no? So before 9 here, nothing means positive. Before 9 means nothing means what? Here positive. So that's why here positive only. But here 2 minus 9. So here 9 is the big number. So 9, before 9 what symbol have? Minus. So you have to write the minus symbol. So remember every time what symbol, this means every time you have to consider the symbol before the big number. So 9 minus 2 is 7, but when you subtract small number minus big number, then the answer is minus 7. Similar here 3 minus 2 is 1, but 3 minus 2 is 1, but 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Why? Because you subtract big number from the small number. So 2 minus 3 is minus. Similarly 8 minus 3 is 5, then 3 minus 8 is minus 5. So now look at the question. First of all, you have to partition. 972 will be 970 plus 2. Then 813 is 800 plus 10 plus 3. Now subtract now hundreds with the hundred. So 900 minus 800, 70 minus 10, then 2 minus 3. So 900 minus 700 is 100. 70 minus 10 is 60. So now 2 minus 3. Now what? Small number minus big number. So answer is what? Subtract normally. 3 minus 2 what? You know that 1. So write it 1. But you have to use the symbol minus. Why? Because the bigger number is 3. Before bigger number there is a minus symbol. So write it minus. Okay. Simple. Remember, whenever small number minus big number, the answer should be minus. Okay. So first you cannot add all together. So first of all add these two because both are positive. So 100 plus 60 how much? 160. Then subtract this one. So 160 minus 1 is 159. Similarly, look at the one more question here. 716 minus 246. So first of all 700 plus 10 plus 6. Next 246 is 200 plus 40 plus 6. Now subtract 100 with 100. So 700 minus 200. Then 10 minus 40. Then 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6. So 700 minus 200 how much? 500. Now again small number minus big number. First of all subtract normally. 40 minus 10 how much? 30. But you have to write the symbol minus. Why minus symbol? Because 40 is the big number, before 40 minus symbol, so minus 30. So simple one more time, small number minus big number, then in the answer is minus. So now here is the 0, 6 minus 6, 0, leave it. Then 500 minus 30 how much? 470. Now look at the question number D. 609 minus 388. So 609 means 600, tens place is 0, so no need to write, and 9. Subtract 388, so 388. 300 plus 80 plus 8. So 100 with the 100. So 600 minus 300. Then here tens place is nothing means 0. 0 minus 80. Every time first number minus big number. First number minus second number. So first number is nothing means 0. Then the third number is 9 minus 8. Now look at here 600 minus 300 is 300. 0 minus 80 what? Minus 80 only. 9 minus 8 how much? 1. Now which is the positive symbol? 301. First add these two numbers. So 301 then minus 80. 300 minus 80 how much? 221. Because 1 minus 0 1. 0 minus 8 not possible. So carry 10 minus 8 is 2 and here is the 2. Okay. Similarly, now look at the last question here. F, what is the F question? 560 minus 308. So 560 means 500, 10 place is 60, 1 plus 0, no need to write. Whenever the which place is 0, no need to write. Then 308, so 300, 10 place is 0, no need to write, and 1 place is 8. Okay, if you want you can write also, no problem. If you want 500 plus 60, 1 place is 0, so write it 0. Then subtraction, okay, then is what? 308. So 300, 10's place nothing means 0, and the 1's place is 8. Write it like this way, no problem. Then 500 minus 300, then 60 minus 0, then 0 minus 8. So 500 minus 300 is 200, then 60 minus 0 is 60 only, then 0 minus 8 is minus 8. Okay, minus 8. So now which is the positive symbol? This is the positive symbol, so add 200 plus 60 is 260, then minus 8, 260 minus 8 is 252. Now look at these two word problems. 3a, I bought a television for 438 and delivery charges is $48. How much did I pay altogether? Altogether means what? The total. That means you have to simply add. So what is the answer? 438 plus 48. So 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 carry. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8 and 4. So I paid $486 altogether. Okay. Now next one, number B. What is the number B? A sea journey is 656 kilometers. So far the ship has travelled 239 kilometers. How much further does the ship have to travel? How much remaining? That means how much further means it should be remain. Suppose from here to Riyadh there are 400 kilometers. Example, you already travelled 300. After 300 you take rest some half an hour, 50 minutes. So still how much remaining? Further journey 100. How we know that? The big number, total journey is 400, you already traveled 300, so remaining is what? 100. So here also same, there are total journey is 657 kilometer, already traveled 239, so how much remaining? So you have to subtract. 7 minus 9 not possible, carry. 17 minus 9 is 8, 4 minus 3 is 1, and 6 minus 2 is 4. So the ship have to travel 480 kilometer, 18 kilometers. So your homework is from page number 13, question number 2, G and H, and question number 3, C and D. I hope you understand the today's class. If you have any more question, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.